If you're considering bathroom renovations, kitchen, or Waterloo, one of the most critical choices you'll make is selecting the right tile for your bathroom floor. Given the region's unique climate, with its humid summers and cold, snowy winters, this decision holds particular significance. Homeowners in Kitchener Waterloo need a bathroom floor that can withstand fluctuations in temperature and humidity while also being easy to maintain and visually appealing. But with so many options available, how do you know which one is the best fit for your home? In this article, we'll explore some top tile choices and their specific benefits for Kitchener Waterloo homes. From the timeless elegance of ceramic and porcelain to the modern luxury of natural stone, each material brings its unique set of advantages. We'll also touch on practical considerations like durability, slip resistance, and ease of cleaning, so you can make an informed decision that balances style with function. Whether you're upgrading an outdated bathroom or building a brand new one, our guide will help you discover the perfect tile to complement your renovation project, ensuring a beautiful, lasting finish that meets the demands of local living conditions. Exploring tile options for Kitchener Waterloo bathroom renovations. When it comes to bathroom renovations in Kitchener Waterloo, selecting the right floor tile is crucial for both aesthetics and functionality. The local climate, characterized by cold winters and humid summers, requires flooring that can withstand temperature fluctuations and moisture. Porcelain and ceramic tiles are popular choices due to their durability, water resistance, and variety of styles. Porcelain tiles, in particular, are known for their low porosity, making them an excellent choice for bathrooms where water exposure is frequent. Natural stone tiles, such as slate or marble, offer a timeless look but come with their own set of considerations. While they provide a luxurious and unique appearance, they can be more porous and may require sealing to prevent water damage. Additionally, stone tiles can be colder underfoot, which might not be ideal during Kitchener Waterloo's winter months without underfloor heating. If you prefer a warmer surface, consider investing in radiant heating systems beneath the tiles for added comfort. For homeowners prioritizing slip resistance, especially in households with young children or elderly members, textured tiles or those with a matte finish can provide better grip compared to glossy finishes. It's also worth considering the size of the tiles. Larger tiles can make a small bathroom feel more spacious, but may require more precision in installation to prevent uneven surfaces. Consider porcelain tiles for their excellent water resistance and durability, ideal for Kitchener Waterloo's climate. If opting for natural stone, ensure regular sealing to maintain appearance and prevent moisture damage. Install radiant heating under tiles to keep the floor warm during cold months. Select textured or matte finish tiles for better slip resistance, enhancing safety. Choose larger tiles to create a sense of space in smaller bathrooms, but ensure precise installation. Why porcelain tiles are ideal for Kitchener Waterloo bathrooms. Porcelain tiles are an excellent choice for bathroom floors in Kitchener Waterloo, thanks to their durability and resistance to moisture. Known for their density and hardness, porcelain tiles can withstand the fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels typical of our region. This makes them particularly suitable for bathroom renovations in Kitchener Waterloo, where seasonal changes can impact less robust materials. Unlike other types of tiles, porcelain is less likely to crack under pressure or shift due to moisture absorption, making it a long-lasting option. Another reason porcelain tiles are ideal is their aesthetic versatility. Available in a wide array of colors, textures, and finishes, porcelain can mimic the look of natural stone, wood, or even concrete, allowing homeowners to achieve the bathroom design of their dreams without compromising on quality or durability. Porcelain tiles are also easy to clean, which is a crucial factor for busy households in Kitchener Waterloo. Their non-porous surface means spills and stains can be wiped away effortlessly, maintaining their pristine appearance over time. Choose a slip-resistant finish. Opt for textured or matte porcelain tiles to minimize the risk of slipping, especially in wet areas. Consider underfloor heating. Porcelain tiles can feel cold underfoot, especially during the chilly Kitchener Waterloo winters. Installing underfloor heating can enhance comfort. Seal the grout. While porcelain tiles are moisture resistant, the grout lines can be vulnerable. Sealing the grout will prevent moisture seepage and extend the life of your floor. Choose local suppliers. By sourcing tiles from local suppliers like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, you can often find better deals and support local businesses. Choosing the right tile color for your Kitchener-Waterloo home. When it comes to bathroom renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, the color of your floor tiles plays a pivotal role in setting the overall mood and aesthetic of the space. The right tile color can make a small bathroom appear larger, a large space feel more intimate, and can even influence the perceived temperature of a room. Given the region's varied climate, from hot summers to cold winters, selecting a versatile and timeless tile color is essential for local homeowners. Neutral tones such as whites, beiges, and grays are popular choices in Kitchener-Waterloo due to their ability to complement a wide range of design styles. These colors can brighten up a space, especially during the overcast winter months, while also providing a classic look that won't go out of style. However, darker tiles like charcoal or navy can add a touch of sophistication and modernity, though they may require more maintenance to keep looking pristine, especially with the region's seasonal salt and mud. Consider the size of the space. Lighter colors can make a small bathroom feel more open, while darker tones can create a cozy atmosphere in larger bathrooms. Think about natural light. If your bathroom has limited natural light, opt for lighter tiles to enhance brightness. In areas like Cambridge with abundant sunlight, you can experiment with bolder colors. Reflect local styles. Kitchener-Waterloo has a blend of historic and modern architecture. Choose tile colors that reflect your home's overall style for a cohesive look. Maintenance matters. Light-colored tiles may show dirt and grime more easily, while darker tiles can highlight water spots and soap residue. Choose a color that aligns with your cleaning preferences. Test samples. Before committing, take tile samples home to see how they look at different times of the day and under various lighting conditions. Local tile suppliers in Kitchener-Waterloo. Where to buy. When embarking on a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, finding the right tile supplier is crucial for ensuring your project is both beautiful and durable. This region offers a variety of local suppliers who provide high-quality tiles that cater to different styles and budgets. Whether you are looking for ceramic, porcelain, or natural stone tiles, the local market has you covered. One of the most popular suppliers in the area is Sarmazian Brothers Flooring, known for their extensive selection and knowledgeable staff. They offer a wide array of tiles and can help you decide which materials are best suited for bathroom floors, taking into account factors like moisture resistance and slip ratings. Another noteworthy mention is Grand River Natural Stone, which provides a range of natural stone options that add a luxurious touch to any bathroom. For those who are environmentally conscious, explore the offerings at the Eco Floor Store, which specializes in sustainable and eco-friendly tile options. Visit the showrooms of local suppliers to see and feel the tile options in person. This can help you better visualize how they will look in your bathroom. Ask about installation services. Some suppliers offer package deals that include both the tiles and professional installation, which can save you time and money. Consult with suppliers about the best tiles for high moisture environments. Porcelain tiles, for instance, are often recommended for their durability and water resistance. Inquire about local promotions or discounts, especially during renovation seasons, as suppliers may offer deals that can significantly reduce your costs. Consider the long-term maintenance of the tiles you choose. Some materials, like natural stone, may require more upkeep compared to ceramic or porcelain. Tips for installing bathroom floor tiles in Kitchener-Waterloo. When it comes to bathroom renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, choosing the right tiles is only the first step. Proper installation is crucial to ensure durability and longevity, especially given the region's fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels. To start, make sure you prepare the subfloor properly. A well-prepared subfloor will prevent tiles from cracking and will keep them level over time. Consider using a cement backer board for added stability, especially if you're installing tiles on a wooden floor. The type of grout and sealant you choose can also make a significant difference in the performance of your bathroom floor tiles. In areas with high humidity like bathrooms, it's advisable to use a waterproof grout. Epoxy grout is a good option because it's resistant to stains and moisture, making it ideal for bathroom settings. Additionally, sealing the grout lines will help to further protect against moisture and staining, ensuring your bathroom looks fresh for years to come. Always check the moisture level of the subfloor before installation to avoid any future issues with mold or mildew. Choose tiles with a textured surface to prevent slipping, especially important in a wet area like the bathroom. Consider the tile size and layout carefully. Larger tiles can make a small bathroom appear bigger, but require precise installation to avoid uneven surfaces. Ensure you have the right tools for the job, including a tile cutter, spacers, and a level to achieve a professional finish. Hire local professionals experienced in bathroom renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo to ensure the job is done correctly and efficiently. Ready to transform your bathroom floor with the perfect tile? Contact Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, Kitchener-Waterloo today to book a free estimate or call us at 226-894-0234 for a detailed quote. We specialize in bathroom renovations Kitchener-Waterloo and are committed to bringing your vision to life. Visit our website at kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca for more inspiration or check out our Google profile to read what satisfied customers have to say about us.